Hello student, good morning. Welcome to today's EVS class. Students, in the previous session you learned the lesson, fifth lesson, which is the name of the lesson, children? Yes, the family of the water. In this lesson we have learned about so many concepts. Which are those? Identify the animals that live in river and seas and observe the responses of plants and animals. To rain, express the response of plants and animals through songs, dance and other cultural expressions, and identify the changes that occur in the quantity of water flow in different seasons. In this lesson we have already learned. So in this class we have learned the new lesson number 6, variety of food. You already learned in the previous classes also, in the second standard, first standard also, variety food in this lesson given. So you have to learn, okay. So in this lesson some concepts is there in your textbook. Now the varieties of food, get introduced to the varieties of food used in your districts and make a list of food obtained from plants and animals. Identify the quantity of food consumed according to sex, age and physical activity. Identify the food of wild animals and domestic animals and insects found in home. Yes, here first you have to learn in this lesson some concept, children. Food. Why we need food? First one, food, and why we need food? Why we need food? Food, what is the food and why we need food? And second point, so nutrients in food. Nutrients in food. So in this class we will learn first one. What is the first one, children? Yes, food and why we need food. And third point, sources of food. Fourth point, types of food. Sources of food. Sources of food. Fourth point, types of food. Types of food. Types of food. And which point? Yes. What is the balanced diet? Where is the cooking of food? What is balanced diet? Balanced diet and types of cooking food. Types of cooking food. So in this lesson we will learn some concepts here, children. Food and why we need food, nutrients in food, sources of food, types of food, balanced diet and types of cooking food. So first point, food is food. What is the food? Food is very important for all living beings. Food is very important for all living beings. Food gives us, what, children? Energy. Food gives us energy. And to do all our work keeps us healthy. All our work keeps us healthy. We get the energy for the food. So we need food. You have to eat healthy and energy. There is wide variety of food products present around us. There are variety of food in our surroundings, present in surroundings, children. Varieties of food. So tell me, students, varieties of food. Yes, dosa, chapati, idli, kesari bath, rice bath, palav. So many varieties of food in our surroundings. You will eat, children. So around us, these can be eaten raw and cooked. Some other food eaten raw and cooked. Some other eat raw food. Tell me which are those, children, raw food? So some vegetables and some fruits. All fruits will be raw, and some of the vegetables also you eat raw ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಯಿಸದೆ ತಿನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್? ಬೀನ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್, ಟೊಮೊಟೊ, cucumber. Have to eat raw. So you eat raw for cooked some food items can be eaten raw. For example, fruits such as apples, oranges, grapes, bananas, pea. These fruits you eat raw. And some other vegetables you eat. Then there are some vegetables such as carrot, radish, and turnip, cucumber, which do not require cooking. These vegetables require cooking. These vegetables can be eaten only raw. Some other vegetables you eaten only raw, children. They not need cooking. So now the question is, if we can eat raw food, yes, then why do we cooked food? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಾ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂತೀವಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದನ್ನ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ? ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಕುಕ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Cooking kills the germs present in food and protect us from diseases. We have to cook the food. Some germs are killed and protect the diseases. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು even cauliflower. So this is a very varieties of germs is there. You have to cook and eat. Have to avoid the diseases. So we have to cook the food is you avoid the diseases. So have to disease. Cooking also adds flavor. Cook ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ರುಚಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And aroma. Aroma means what children? Smell. ಬೇಯಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಅರೋಮಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಟು ದ ಫುಡ್. ನಾವು why do we eat food, children? Why do we eat food? Firstly, we need food help us to grow. Why do we eat food? We need food help us to grow. We get energy from the food. Then it is gives us energy to study, energy to play, work, and we need energy to do everything. So food gives us energy. Everything is food gives us energy. And then food help us to stay fit. And then food help us to stay fit and healthy. It protects us against diseases. It protects us from diseases. Protect us from diseases. So if we will eat good food, if we will eat good food, we will not fall sick. ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರೋಗಗಳಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾಲ್ ಸಿಕ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗುಡ್ food habit. Next we learn about good food habit. Which are those? Food help us to repair different parts of body. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು? ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಫುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್, ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು repair our ಬಾಡಿ. ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು, ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಜೂರ್ಡ್, ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು heal, recover fast. And food help us to repair our body and recover some diseases. So we eat food for help us to heal and recover fast. heal ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನೋವು ಬಂದರೆ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನುವಂಥ ಆಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಂಜೂರ್ಡ್, ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು heal and recover fast. So now let us learn about different nutrients in our food. In our so many different types of nutrients in our food, children. Okay, so which are those? The food we eat has many nutrients. Food we eat so many nutrients. In it So what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Are the useful substances which are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth. There are 5 main nutrients. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿಂದಾಗ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಸ್, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸೀಸನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 5 types of nutrients are there. So some other here you can observe children, that's so 15 food. Which are those nutrients? Yes, 1 vitamins, minerals. So the 5 nutrients present in our food. There are 5 nutrients present in our food. These are first one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 nutrients food at the present in our food. Okay, which are those children? Which are those 5 nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 nutrients. These are present in our food. So 5 main nutrients. There are 2 other important components. So there are 2 other components is there, which are the roughies and water. Which are those 2 components? ಈ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ರಫೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ರಫೇಜಸ್? ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒರಡುತನ, ನಾರುಳ್ಳಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳಿಗೆ, ಫೈಬರ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರಫೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ diet which has the right amount of all these nutrients, that is carbohydrates. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯೆಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅಂಶ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಮೇಯ್ನ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಗುಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವ್ ಟು ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ us learn about the nutrients one by one. Okay, so let us learn about one by one. So there are 5 types of nutrients is there. Let us learn one by one children. Okay, next first one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Carbohydrates, what is the gives us energy children? Carbohydrates gives us energy. Food rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving food. ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ರಿಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ರಿಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್. And then so we need carbohydrates to study, play, work, because carbohydrates provide us energy. People who do lot physical work, they need more carbohydrates. People who work physical work, they need carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the energy giving food. So carbohydrate is very very important. Energy people to work very easily. So let us see the foods which are rich in carbohydrates. Whole grains. Carbohydrates ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ಗಳು grains and cereals. Yes, there are 2 types of food giving carbohydrates. One is grains and another one is cereals and fruits. Fruits also. Fruits. So carbohydrates How many types of food? Food grains, cereals, fruits such as banana, mango, grapes, potato, sugar, and sugar cane. So let us understand these are the carbohydrates, having food for grains, cereals and grapes. Some other fruits, banana, apple, grapes, oranges, these have carbohydrates. Okay, next understand next nutrients, fats. First one carbohydrates, another one is fats. Fats provide more energy. Fats also provide more energy than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates ಗಿಂತನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್. Food which are rich in fats are also called as energy giving food. Food which are rich fats are also called as energy giving. Carbohydrates food which are rich in fats are also called as energy giving food. So let us see some food which are rich in fats. They are which rich in fat? They are milk product, which are rich in fats. Milk product. Some other food have fats. Milk product, ghee, cream, cheese, and which are those sugar? Cheese. Some other food have some provided fats. Milk, cream, ghee, cheese, butter. Yes, very good. Butter. And then all these food items are rich in fats. All these food items rich in fats. Which are those? Milk products, ghee, cream, cheese, butter. These food have rich in fats. And these they are called energy giving food. They are called energy giving food. Next nutrients is protein. Next nutrient is what, children? Protein. Protein help us to grow. Protein also help us to grow. And foods rich in protein are called body building food. Food alli rich agi protein idre adanna enanta kartivi? Body building food. Foods rich in proteins are called body building foods. Let's see some example for proteins. We get proteins from pulses. Proteins yavalli irutte? Pulses. Proteins iruvantaha food pulses. Some other pulses, and then eggs, fat, fish, meat, chicken. Yes, these are the food which are rich in protein. Which are the rich in protein food, children? Pulses, eggs, fish, meat, chicken. These food have rich in proteins. And let's learn about vitamins and minerals. Last nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help us to fight diseases. Food items rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Which are rich in vitamin and minerals is called protective foods. Let's see some fruits such as, bananas, mango, strawberry, vegetables, especially green vegetable is having vitamins and minerals. Green vegetables have vitamins and minerals like spinach, cabbages and milk product. All these food items rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. You can understand, children, vitamins and minerals? Yes. Now, next topic, sources of food. In the next class, I will continue. You can understand, children? Yes, first one, food and why we eat food. What is the food? Food is giving to energy. Food is very, very important. Without eat food, we can't live with the earth. So, all living being needs food. So, food gives us energy to do everything. So, food gives us energy. Then, food helps us to stay fit and healthy. It protects some diseases, against diseases. So, if we will eat good food, we will not fall sick. New good food anna tinnag enagutte namanna rakshisutte. Next, nutrients in food. There are 5 nutrients present in our food. First one, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Which food items have carbohydrates? Grains and cereals and fruits. Some of the foods, banana, apple, oranges and strawberry. These food have some very rich of carbohydrates. These types of food is called the energy giving food. Next, fats. Which are the fats items giving food, children? Milk product, ghee, cream, cheese, butter. These are the food items have rich of fats. These food have giving energy giving food. Yes, and then proteins. Which are the protein food, children? Pulses, eggs, fish, meat and chicken. These food have rich of which are proteins. This also energy giving food. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are called vitamins and rich food. Vitamins and minerals which have rich in food is called protective food. Which are those vitamins and minerals for children? Yes, some other fruits. Mango, banana, strawberry, vegetables, especially green vegetables have vitamins and minerals like spinach, cabbage, milk product. All these food items rich in vitamins and minerals are called the protective food. You can understand, students. In the next class, I will continue the next topic, sources of food. Okay, thank you, children.